I have prepared some example poses that could cause problems with BipedPlus mirroring. I have uploaded a somewhat dynamic pose, though it is not perfect. In this state, if you select all BipedPlus, you would normally press copy and then flip it by pressing this. But if you want this pose again, it should be like this, right? You need to rotate it like this. This is quite tedious. Let me explain how BipedPlus handles this. In this state, press pose, and with the palm slightly tilted, let us try flip. You can confirm everything works correctly. Even when the position is moved, only the rotation happens based on that position. This kind of palm rotation is used a lot. When tilting the center of gravity, you mostly work using palm as the reference. In that case, copy and flip will do. You can confirm it works perfectly as intended, very cleanly. Excellent. From this pose, let us select only the clavicle and try mirroring. If you copy and mirror, something does not move correctly, does it? It is not the intended pose. For example, if I want to rotate here a bit more and make it symmetrical here too. Copy and mirror, and it does not come out as intended. It does not come out as intended. In the original Biped there was a bug with the flip part, but with BipedPlus, in this state copy and mirror, and you can confirm it is perfectly symmetrical. In BipedPlus, for shoulders, mirroring is based on the chest. So you can confirm perfect symmetry. In addition, flip also works correctly. Works without any issues. Even selecting only this works. Let me also explain another edge case. BipedPlus collection mirroring is currently set with palm as the reference. It uses this reference point on the Z-axis. When you give animation keys to the pelvis quickly, the bigger the difference, the more likely unexpected flip phenomena can occur. For example, if you stand this up straight and then the legs. Let me try this with the pelvis. Do this and create it like this. When you want flip, you would want the legs to come out like this. But if you flip here, it comes out like this. The flip is not as intended. That can certainly happen. Can't you just make biped independent from pelvis? I think such constraints should not exist from the start. With BipedPlus, if you press copy in this state and go from right to left, it comes out like this. It should come out like this. This is mirroring. The work should be done like this. Also, in this kind of pose, sometimes you want to reset only the upper body to default while keeping the lower body. Do not overthink it, just select all the upper body here. And reset selection, and it is completely reset. This is also one of the advantages. Another feature of BipedPlus mirroring is that for the arms. It is understandable to put them in as they are. But the torso is a bit ambiguous. For example, for the twist, it is a single bone, so it is unclear how to mirror it. The mirroring feature handles it like this. Mirroring is done automatically. The principle is that tilt is allowed, but for the twist, left and right cancel each other out to 0. Twist should be 0. You can see it works like this. But if you do not want the torso to be mirrored, if you only want the arms, undo and then copy only the arm portion and mirror. This way you can confirm everything is normal. Very nice.